In this lecture, I want to explore what to do with ideas. What should you do with your business ideas? You know, it's common to hear, I'm sure you must have heard people say, oh, I've got so many ideas, I don't want to tell anyone about it. I just want to keep them to myself. Well, that's a waste of time. That doesn't get you nothing. You know, just keeping your ideas to yourself. Actually, invariably, someone else is going to come along that has the same idea and they're going to exploit it. How many times have we sat down, we see somebody doing something and said, wow, I had that idea 2 years ago, or I had that idea 4 years ago. Well, you didn't do nothing about it, okay? You're not going to believe this. I mean, I knew years ago, 10 years ago, I knew that learning would go online. I just didn't know what to do about it. Well, you know, I didn't do nothing about it. Well, there comes Udemy, okay? Now I'm there on Udemy, working for Udemy. Not working for myself, but working on Udemy. Well, that could have been me. Hey, who knows? But you know what? You gotta do something with your ideas. You gotta do something with it. I wish I'd done something with that idea because I knew learning was gonna go online. I just knew it. Wow. Okay, so I'm just saying to you, don't be like me in that sense. Use your ideas. Do something with your ideas, okay? So I'm going to talk to you today about what to do, 4 things you can do with your ideas, okay? The first thing you can do is to sell the idea. You can sell it by license, you can sell it by outright. Have a look around, see what you can do with your ideas. See someone who wants it. See someone doing something similar or someone working in an industry that you know this idea fits in with, that you can sell the idea to, and talk to them. Start having conversations. The second thing you can do with your idea is to develop it and then sell it. Develop and sell the idea. You know, under the first one, number one, just selling the idea is not going to be worth that much because nobody knows whether it can really work, okay? But if you develop the idea and then sell it, you've added value to the idea. That's why people develop websites and sell the websites. Okay, if you go on Udemy, you'll find courses on how to develop and sell websites because you can develop a website and then sell it on because it's now making money. So you might develop an idea, add value to it, and then sell it. The third thing you can do with your idea, since you're not going to do all your ideas and there's no point in leaving them at home under the bed, gathering dust, do something with it, get a partner and work the idea together. If you're not the kind of person that can work alone, if you're the kind of person that really needs to have somebody to work with, then get a partner and work the idea. And finally, DIY, do it yourself. Take the idea through a process, determine it's a workable idea, and then launch it, okay? So DIY is where you are in the driving seat of the idea, where everything really relies on you to take the idea forward. But you can work with partners, but you can work with subcontractors, but the idea is really yours and you're determined to take it forward. But let's not ignore numbers 1 and 2. Sell the idea or develop and sell the idea are still opportunities open to you when you have many ideas.